good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the videos, check out all the content, and also there's a new feature called hype, so make sure you hype up this video if you haven't hyped up 3 videos max for this week, and those 3 videos better be mine. So as you can tell by the box, or you might not be able to tell by the box or the logo, I've got a pair of Saucony's. This pair is the Saucony ProGrid Omni 9, colorway tan / maroon. If you want to read the rest, just pause it here and then you can read that. So originally I only wanted to get one pair, which is triple black. I saw this pair and I thought, ooh, these are too nice. Just have a look at this colorway, man. Whoever it was that designed this colorway, shout out to yourself, man. What a lovely colorway. Lovely range of colors. They work well together, so well together. It's absolutely amazing. I love this pair so much. I don't know if you can tell, I don't know if I've said it enough, but I love this pair. So start off from the bottom, Saucony. So it's got that normal Omni 9, the sole, standard sole. It's got a bit of plastic in the middle, which is kind of like a grayish bluish type of color. Then at the front it's got that burgundy and black, and then on the back it's got black and burgundy again. One thing I really do like, obviously it's not something that anyone can see, is this little bit. So they kind of like resemble screws, which I thought was a really cool detail to have on the sole. Moving to the midsole side of things, so obviously there's just plastic again, which comes from the below. Then we've got, you can see that burgundy maroon color, and then obviously the black bit still got the burgundy maroon. Then the midsole, black, all black, and then we've got a bit of white, or it's kind of creamish on that. On the back it says ProGrid with a little white tab, and on the inside it's the same. This sole does remind me a lot of the 1906R New Balance and the 2002R New Balance. Very, very similar. So I really do see that resemblance, but I really still like that sole because it's very, very similar. The way that the New Balance has got the 3 pods type thing, or they might have more, and then that bit is very, very similar. So going on to the upper, we've got a little tab here. It's quite a stiff heel cup. A little tab here, plastic, that says Omni 9, so it's like a translucent, and then it's printed on top. We've got so much different colors, so many different materials. So we've got mesh, kind of like a 3M, and then this is I don't want to say it's a nubuck, but it's kind of like a nubuck, very similar to a nubuck type material. Then on the top we've got like this plastic coated material with another like kind of sticker on top. Then we've got the mesh in the middle with more plastic, but this time it's got a bit of a texture to it. And then we've got that Saucony swoosh right there. Again, it's all plastic. It's got that kind of nubuck behind it. Then again at the front, it's a lot of synthetic materials on this, the same sort of synthetic nubuck mix. It's not like a leather, it's more like a coated type canvas material on here. I should have definitely done some more research. Toe box has got that mesh going around, so the whole front's got the mesh. Tongue's got the simple standard Saucony laces. They are a bit flimsy, so I might change them out for a bit better ones. Then the eyelet's got a bit of design, so it's just like another layer on top. Then a different mesh for the tongue, then another stay, and then a little tab on the tongue saying Saucony, so the logo there, and then inside it also says Saucony. The liner is black. I'll be honest, best way, just keep it like that. It doesn't get dirty, doesn't look dirty quick. But yeah, I really like this colorway. I love the different colors used. So it's got grays, blacks, this maroon. It's got this kind of grayish, bluish type feel to this color bit here. Cream type white, a lot of white. then even the silver bits, it works so well together. Honestly, shout out the designer, and they look so good on foot as well. So definitely, I think this is a shoe that's going to become really, really popular, if it isn't already, because I do know the name's trending UK, but I don't really keep up with trends. But yeah, so I really like this shoe. They are decently comfortable on foot. I haven't had a proper like, you know, try on and, you know, run around in them or walk around in them, but decently comfortable, very, very good looking. I'll be honest, I really like this colorway. That lovely runner aesthetic type of vibe. But yeah, let me know what you think. Make sure you check out the on foot, which will be coming in a few moments. Make sure you also click below on the YouTube channel name, or wherever you're watching this, probably YouTube or TikTok. Click on the name, watch all the other videos, and yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hype up the video, check out all the other content, and take care, my people.